guys, hope you can hear me. My neighbor's cutting the grass, but I just wanted to show you fueling number 1 is the tropical shake. I literally put it in a blender. This is how big it comes out because I use a ton of ice, about a cup of water and a ton of ice, and it is delish. So if you haven't tried the tropical shake yet, try it. See you at my next fueling. Okay guys, so Sunday afternoon or morning, and it is a little after 11. It's 11:30. Meal number 2 or fueling number 2 is going to be these barbecue crunchers. These are one of my favorite fuelings, and I'm gonna be driving around doing some errands today, eating my bag of crunchers. How convenient. You don't have to pack a lunchbox. You don't have to worry about stopping off at fast food. You just take your fuelings with you and eat them. Simple. Eat your food, lose weight, get healthy. Anyone interested yet? Oh my God. So seriously, has this ever happened to you? I'm sitting here eating my barbecue crunchers, and I pull into the parking lot of the place I'm going to, and for some reason the bag just kind of like tipped to the side, and my crunchers spilled out underneath the seat of my car. What am I gonna do? Oh my God, check this out, guys. I'm hysterical. Oh, no. So fueling number 3 is, oh yeah, the chocolate brownie. It just came out of the microwave. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off. No, but it's nice and hot, so I'm gonna let it cool just a little bit. I do like them warm, but not piping hot. So yeah, fueling number 3, chocolate brownie. Can't beat this plan. Meal number 4 is the tomato herb pasta. And I cook this in the microwave in one of these little mugs that I get from the Dollar Tree. I cook it for 5 minutes, a lot more time than you're supposed to, but I find that 5 minutes gives it the perfect consistency. And we are on water number 5, big jug of water. So this is meal number 4. Okay, so for meal number 5, I am going to be making tilapia tacos, and this pizza crust is the cauliflower pizza crust, red pepper that you buy from Cauliflower Crust. I did cook it on the pan that they provided. It is very much like a crust, but I like it a little pliable to make the tacos. So I weighed out, considering the macros for this, I'm allowed to have 3.5 ounces of my tilapia, which I have cooked and plated out. And then I'm allowed to have 1 additional fat, so I have 1.5 ounces of avocado. So the plan is to spread the avocado onto my taco shell per se. So let's get that out of the paper plate here. And what we're gonna do is spread this on to make a base, and then I'll be right back. As you can see, I've already spread the avocado on my crust here, which is a great base for fish tacos. And then I'm gonna add the tilapia, so I'm just gonna use my hands, which are washed, and I'm gonna actually flake it out a little bit so that it's easy to mold these into tacos. This is a great way to use these shells. I wasn't a fan of them when I first bought them, but now that I have the correct pan to cook them in, they're actually not too bad, guys. Just in the event that you're craving pizza or tacos, this is the way to go. So, meal number 5 on its way into my belly. So it's the end of the day. I'm at my last fueling, and I decided to forego the chocolate peanut butter shake that I usually have because I've already used my fat with the fish tacos and the avocado, so I have none left for the day. So I made myself a chocolate chip cookie that is, oh, one of my other favorites. So I'm gonna go enjoy this, and I hope you loved my what I eat in a day on Optavia video. And if you have any requests, if you wanna see any other fuelings or hacks or anything like that, please leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe, and if you're interested in seeing what's going on in the Optavia world, my link for my website will be below as well, and you can always reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to talk to you about it. So anyway, guys, that's the scoop. Have a wonderful day, stay focused, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.